What's up, you guys? I am back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how I wand my hair when it is blow dried out, blow dried when it's blow dried out. I just flat ironed my hair last night and it has gotten completely back puffy. It looks like I just blow dried it and that's it. So like I didn't even get out of the house good before it got back like this. So I decided, why not just throw some wand curls in it and call it a day. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be talking that much through this video. I'm just going to be showing you what I do. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button also, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with blow dried hair. I'm going to take my Demon brush and just brush through it to make sure I have all the tangles out. And then I'm going to spray some heat protectant on it also. I use 2 heat protectants. Both of them are from Chi. I can't remember the first one I used, but I'll leave it down below. The second one I use is just the Chi Silk Infusions. So I just put that on there, comb it through, and then I take about a 1/4 inch piece of hair, and I'm not sure what size winding curl this is, but I'll leave it down below. And I just basically wrap it around the iron and I leave it on there for about 7 seconds, and then once I'm done I'll let it go, and then I'll hold it and not let the curl drop until it's cooled down. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's super easy, super simple. Only thing you have to have is a little bit of patience to get throughout your whole head, but that's pretty much all I do. And I believe my wanding iron is at 375. And once I get towards the front of my hair, I make sure that I am curling my hair away from my face instead of towards my face. That way it'll just frame my face better and it'll give you more of a beach wavy effect. And that's the end of this tutorial, you guys. My hair came out super voluminous and big, just how I like it. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.